Hello friends, today on the desk we have the NX Audio powered speaker module. The model number is PSR512A. Okay, the problem is the module is completely burnt. As you can see, the components here, the capacitors are bulged, the power capacitors has been removed. This is the IC is busted and with no clamp here. So we have removed the board from the chassis, and this is the condition behind. It's a burnt board absolutely. So the only option we have here is to replace it with a new one, and we have got the new set of the board here and the brand new board. Okay, so we are going to fix it on this chassis and make sure that the missing brackets are all fixed, because without the brackets again it will blow off. Okay, this is the main output IC underneath the TDH, and we'll come back with the sound check. Alright, so the NX Audio PSR512A is now ready for sound check. We have replaced with the new board with new clamping. As you can see below, all the transistors and MOSFETs are clamped. This is the old board, and here we go with the sound check.